That's my new thing. That's my new thing. That's my new thing. I've told you before about being in a small space and working with reclaimed materials, so I have to grab stuff when I see it, and I end up just being a storage locker. I mean, I'm working on top of stuff I know that'll come in, but the space is getting smaller and smaller and smaller. So I needed organisation, have I been told 1,000 times in my life. And at the same time, I thought, why don't I just extend my workbench? And so with all the scrap what I had, the only thing I had to buy for this is some screws, because I was even given the paint. Voila! My extra workbench plus storage. And has it made a difference? Oh, by golly, by golly, by golly, yes it has. This is my workbench before. It's all messy again because I've had to move stuff from over there to there. It shall be sorted, don't you worry. This was just my workbench here. Now it goes all the way over here to give me that much. And I'm sure it would take me very long to mess it all up again, but the point is I have it. I have it. And very importantly, all my storage here for all my stuff that's valuable for me and rubbish for others. This is how I built it. Bit weird starting with the end, isn't it? But hey, that's the way we're doing it. This is how I built it.
you.